Steve and Jill here.
Hello.
Welcome to the Land Academy Show, entertaining land investment talk. I'm Steve and Jack Butala.
And I'm Jill DeWit.
Today, Jill and I talk about land investing from the road, and this is update number 3. We started in Arizona. We worked our way across the country. So we've been on the road for, I can't keep it straight, about 3 weeks.
Yep. As we're recording, it has been 27 days. It just feels like minutes, doesn't it? So here's what I want to say. I want to give you the update on today, where we are, how it's going. And I also want to give you some tips. How do you do this from the road? And how you do it from the road together? And how are you guys working?
These are all good questions.
And how are you handling this, right? But I wanted to see if you come up with 3 tips to help you. One is create dedicated work time. Not the space, the time. You do need to have some dedicated work time. You know, as an investor, you have to carve out time, because if you don't, the mail doesn't go out, the calls don't get returned, the deals don't get done, and the bank balance won't grow. My number 2 is whatever equipment you think you need, go small. Don't overspend. Don't overbuy. Don't over outfit yourself. You did a really good job. I have to say, I'm serious. And if you find you need things on the road, you can get them. My number 3 is be flexible, because that comes up
for
a lot.
Sure.
Like every
minute.
Yeah. I was gonna say multiple times a day. Things are going to change. And the way we roll, we don't know where we're sleeping. Now we've learned to not hit the road and go, where do you want to sleep tonight? Because that's a nightmare, usually for me. Things change.
Number 1, all kidding aside, nothing should change. So if you're successfully doing this at a desk somewhere, wherever, at home, and you want to go out on the road and do it, it shouldn't change. The net effect of what you're accomplishing should not change.
Right.
So you start with that. Well, I'm doing 6 deals a month. I don't want that to change, but I'm not going to have a consistent internet connection. I may or may not be able to answer my phone the way that I am. So you need to step by step deconstruct exactly why you're successful or what you're doing at home. Look at every element of it and then address those things. Nothing should change. But you have to change a few things to make sure it doesn't change. Does that make sense?
A little bit. Your schedule can change.
Schedule should dramatically change. That's actually my number 2.
How you do it, when you accomplish it, that's why you're doing this. Should change.
Being successful in this business, once you get your feet wet and understand it, and for certain personality types, it's not that hard. My actual number 3 is, I wouldn't recommend just doing this alone, because it's always more fun, I think, to share with somebody. But you need to have some rules, some serious rules. We calculated it today. We're in less than 200 square feet here and deal with each other.
Wait a minute. 20-something? What do we say?
20 by 10.
20 by 10. All right. Okay, sorry. Thank you. Continue.
This is a perfect example, because I don't remember what I was talking about. But Jill had to go through something in her head out loud by saying words. She got it. She resolved it. And I was the victim.
Well, and thank you for being flexible.
Boy, am I happy you could join us today.
Oh, yes. 5 days a week. We are Jack and Jill.
Information
and inspiration
to buy undervalued property.